Hey gun nuts, just coming back to hang out with y'all again today. Just want to talk about another product that I have. It is the Magpul Pmag for your Glock 19. It'll also fit your Glock 26. It will not fit your Glock 17. All right, so check it out, y'all. All right, so this is your standard factory Glock 19 magazine. This is a 10 rounder, California compliant. I am not in a compliant state. I'm in Virginia, but this is what I could find on the market at the time when everything was going crazy. Glock 19 magazine, standard orange follower, cool. Now this is your Pmag. This is one fresh in the case, in case y'all want to see what they look like when they crispy. This is a little beat up, but you know what it is. All right. So your Pmag, side-by-side comparison for you. Check them out. What you think? Let me get my fat hand out the way for you. How's that? All right. Now, one thing I noticed right away when I pulled this out the magazine was the kind of fat base plate at the bottom. But that's a good thing because this is for ripping the side of the magazine in case you have to rip it out the gun. Glock has made their feature on the front of the mag when you can pull it because of this extra long lip. That fat lip jump. All right, so this right here also has a 15 round fully loaded indicator here. It's got the orange follower, just like your Glock magazine has. Now, if you'll notice, the Glock magazine has this steel insert on the inside. Pmag has more of a robust kind of construction. I trust it. I know Magpul makes great products. I carry Magpul magazines for my AR, and I was pretty happy to get these because they were also less expensive than the factory Glock magazines. And Glock magazines are cheap, y'all know that. But I went to my local candy shop, Battlefield Firearms out there in Locust Grove, VA. Side by side, Glock 19 factory mag, Pmag. There's that fat bottom I was talking about. But you can see right there, they got the grooves to pull it out the mag well, excuse me. There's that. You know, she's empty. All right. So when you got the Pmag in, it looks like this. I'm sorry, that's the factory mag. My apologies. I'm kind of sitting off from the camera, so it's a little bit difficult for me, but you know, there it is. All right. That's the base plate of the factory Glock mag. Now with this, on the base plate, when it's in the gun, it kind of sticks out that much further. You can see that. Me, I don't mind that. You know what I mean? Doesn't bother me at all. Kind of gives me a little bit more grip. I don't know about, I gotta take this to the range and shoot it more, but I don't know if this is gonna shift out of place. If it does, y'all will see it on camera because I'm gonna take it with me. All right, there it is. So these are the finger grooves here to pull. You know, Glock had this lip on the front of the factory mag. Finger groove there to pull. All right. Ain't she pretty, man? Nah, Glock's still ugly to me, man, but that's my old faithful ugly girlfriend. I have cheated on her though, because I've messed around with the CZ P10C, which I kind of fell in love with. I'm gonna get another one of those. And I got some other ones out there that I want to get, so I'm kind of cheating on my Glock. My old faithful ugly girlfriend, but I know she's always there. But yeah, that's it, man. That is the Pmag. The other feature I wanted to show you right here, right? It's got these little dimples. Your takedown hole there. So you might say, what's the dimples about? So if you have more than one magazine, you can number these magazines here on the bottom by using some crayon or some nail polish or something like that, and just dab in the holes and put a number there. So if something happens with one of these magazines, like, you know, things happen. magazines malfunction. Something happened with one of your magazines and you got multiple magazines, you have them numbered so you can know which one it was. Like, oh, yo, number 2 got to go. Toss it, and then, you know, keep everybody else running and monitoring them by their number. So that's another cool feature for less money, kind of an advantage on the Magpul Pmag magazine over the Glock factory mag. So there it is, girls and boys, the Glock Pmag magazine review. I hope this helps you out. Check out homeboytactical.com, and God bless you guys. Happy shooting.